We are pleased to show you the 2022 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.